MashUp was founded in 2010 specifically to address a lack of opportunity for women artists in the dance industry. We're very passionate that many voices should be heard. We currently have 11 women company dancers. We're led by a 4-person, all-female identifying creative team rather than a single artistic director. And since we were founded, we have worked with or presented choreography by over 300 women artists.
I've been dancing since I was 9, so almost 20 years now. I love the freedom that it brings. I love the community that it brought me. I joined MashUp my very first year out of college. So for me, it was a little bit of a time where I wasn't quite sure where I fit, who I was, exactly where my world was in the professional dance industry. And MashUp provided this space for me to feel at home and celebrated for my uniqueness. Being in a historically male-dominated field, I think as a female, I am really grateful to be a part of organizations that I feel empowered to use my voice and to be in leadership roles.
A lot of what we do is serve early and mid-career artists because we recognize that they are underserved, that they can leave the college environment and all of a sudden they don't have a lot of resources at their disposal. So coming into the college environment is another way to close that gap. It's a way to invest in the future leaders of the dance industry. This is our small way of contributing to a more just and equal world.